Hi guys, you look at my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I had an accident recently. Okay, I accidentally left it on this air conditioner fan and it somehow fell off and hit this ground, this hard ground. Like, I've got tempered glass on the front and back. Look at the damage. Now, I haven't checked the actual LED glass to see if it's unscratched. Hopefully it's not broken. I'm going to see if tempered glass really works. Stay tuned. Oh boy. Hopefully there's no damage to the actual LED screen. Oh Christ. Okay, I'm going to remove this tempered glass. Thank God. Thank God. Oh, thank God. It was just the tempered glass. Thank God, thank God. Oh, thank God. It was just this tempered glass. Oh, I thought it was the actual LED glass on the GoPro. It is intact. Oh my God. Okay. You guys got to get tempered glass. I really believe in it. So I'm going to clean this and put a new... I'm going to clean this screen and put on a new tempered glass here. Here I'm using a cleaning cloth from my iPhone. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. Yep, looks pretty good. Now for the new tempered glass. I had bought a tempered glass spare, just in case, from a company called FitStill. And I bought this through Amazon. So the tempered glass that broke was from FitStill. Even though this is a third-party vendor, I trust it. Okay, peel this. Okay, so I have to peel this. The side of the tempered glass facing the film will go flat on the LED screen. This part is a little tricky. You don't want to get any dust in between. You have to place the tempered glass evenly. Okay, and once it's flat, you'll see bubbles rushing to the sides. Damn, it's crooked. Fortunately, I have this glue sticker tape. It does this. It removes the tempered glass easily. Now I have to be careful not to get any dust in between. I don't know if you can see this, but air is rushing to the sides. And look at the bottom right corner. There's some air here. Just press it with your fingertips. I am going to softly press it down with this cloth Good job. Oh, I see a speck of dust here and there. It doesn't matter. I did a pretty good job. Yes, I did. It looks good, and tempered glass really works. So I really recommend getting tempered glass, guys. It really does work. Front and back, okay? So here, and especially on the back. I'm very pleased. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. Before I go, I have left 2 before pictures and 1 after picture. Success.